Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. Today I'll be creating this fun green eye makeup look and I'll be using my favorite palette ever. This is the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. The colors on this palette, it's very pigmented, and I'll be using at least 4 shades for my eyes. And this eye is very fun and is very actually, I was actually a little bit hesitant about this eye color, but I really love it. Like, I love the way it turned out. It wasn't too much. It was just okay. And I went with like a nice nude ombre lip for this look. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Keep on watching. Bye. So I'm just taking that color right there, and I'm just applying that right in my crease area, because I usually just apply it and then blend out later, because I really want the pigment to show. So I already went ahead and applied my highlights so that when I blend in, we just blend out very nicely. So I'm just going to blend out very soft. This is a very strong color. I don't want it to get very messy, so I'm just going to take my time. This color right here and apply it right in my crease. And I'm using the Sigma E36 brush. It's a tiny fluffy brush that gets right in there. It's really good brush for blending out creases. Another one of my favorite. Once that is done, I'm going to take my MAC brush, my MAC 224 brush, and just blend it out more. Very soft. And I'm just going back on my previous brush that I used first and just light tone things down around there. Absolutely, I'm not putting any pressure on the brush, just very softly, just kind of blend it out. Now once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and create my cut crease, and I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape for this. I really like to take my time when I'm doing this because I want it to be perfect. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply that concealer right on my lid. Let's make sure it's properly cut. So when that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply this color right here on my lid. And I'll be applying that right on the center part. To make sure that's properly placed right there. I'm going to go ahead and apply this color right here on the outer part of my eye. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and draw my wing liner, and I'll be using the Maybelline gel eyeliner in black. Now I'll be using my MAC 266 brush to create this wing line. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply this. This is the Maybelline Matte eyeliner. This is really good also. I'm going to apply this over that so it can be very like dark and matte. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Urban Decay Heavy Metal. This just to give me like a nice glitter red on my crease area, just to make my eyes stand out more. And I'm using the Midnight Cowboy. So once that is done, I'm going to add on some mascara and also apply my lashes. So I'm applying my Dior mascara. And I'll be applying the Huda Beauty lashes in Sasha. So now once I have the eyes popping and ready to go, let's move on to my face. It's winter time, my face is really dry. I'm going to be applying the Laura Mercier Day Repair Lotion. And this is amazing for oily skin. It's oil free. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that right on my face, forehead. Up next, I'll be applying my LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. Apply that. You always want to apply a primer on your face before you apply your foundation. It's just to help your foundation stay really well. Also, it stops it from going right into your pores so that you don't get any kind of breakouts. Up next, I'll be using my favorite foundation right now, Huda Beauty in shade Cinnamon. Just go ahead and slide some through. Oops. I use this foundation so much. Like, this is like my everyday foundation, to be honest. I'm just blending that out. I'm using my beauty blender and just blend that out. Up next, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on concealers, this is a go-to. There's also a review coming up on my channel. There's a new concealer that is like really good that I've been hearing a lot of rave about. I'm going to definitely be reviewing that. When you apply your concealer, you want to do it like upside down triangle. My nails, trying to get that nose snatched. My forehead. That's enough. Can't even see it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oops. No, I pushed out too many. So once that is in, and then I'm going to be using the, I think this might be a little bit dark for me, but I'm going to use this as my contour. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso. I'm going to try and get like a shade for my contour that I can use. So hard trying to get this thing out. So I'm going to apply a light, tiny bit because it's a little bit dark. So I'm going to use that as my contour. my cream contour. I'm gonna put a little. I'm trying to get like dark, like really dark around there. Then I'm going to do a little bit right on my. I'm still talking like that. I'm going to do a little bit right on my nose. A little bit. Oh, it's a tiny bit. Okay. Once that is done, then we're going to do the forehead area. Very tiny. I'm trying to do too much now. Okay. So once that is on, I'm going to go ahead and spray my sponge. Oops. I'm spraying it backwards. I'm going to go ahead and spray my sponge and just blend my concealer out. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend my forehead. Up next, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to use that to set my concealer. So next, I'll be taking my NYX matte bronzer and deep tan to set my contour area. Now once that is done, why am I talking like that? I'm going to set my nose very lightly. No worries. And then I'm just taking the translucent powder and just cleaning out that edge. Now once that is done, I'm just gonna get my brush and just brush that off. Next, I'm taking my double wear powder in 5W2. This powder is from Estee Lauder. It's a really good powder. Just gonna use that to tone down my skin tone, tone down the highlighted area, which is great. I'll be finishing up my eyes. I will be using my, this is like my favorite eyeliner. You can see how small it is now. I'm using the Trish McEvoy eyeliner. This is their gel liner. I'm just going to apply that in my waterline. I'm going to go back with this nice dark color right here. I'm going to smudge that right underneath my eyes. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC Extended Play Mascara right on my lower lash. Please, anyone that has lower lash, please dash me some. I need lower lashes. I'm struggling. I can't seem to get it, but people say, oh, it's there, but it's not really there. A little bit. I have a little bit. I wish I had lower lash, I swear. I'm going to go ahead and apply my NARS Orgasm Blush. Just wanted to give my skin a nice soft pink. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And I'll be applying my Laura Mercier highlighter in Spellbound. Just love this. This is my other favorite one because it's like a nice bronzy tone look to it. I'm going to apply some of my nose around the bridge of my nose. And on the forehead side. Just a little bit though. Then I'm going to spray my brush. I'll be applying some of that on the inner corner of my eyes. And also my Cupid's bow. So once that's done, I'm taking my MAC lip liner and I want to create like a nice ombre nude. Actually, I'm using the MAC lip liner in Night Moth. And I'll be taking the NYX lip paint in Beauty Mark. So I'm just going to apply that over my lip liner. Up next, I'll be applying the Barry and Matte Me Up lip paint in Poise. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And I'm using the Collection setting spray.